Online dating can be tricky. It's a new world with new rules. We all want to make a good impression, but how? What should we talk about? And what should we avoid? Choosing the right conversation topics is key. It helps build trust and understanding. The wrong topics, they can lead to misunderstandings and missed connections. This guide is here to help. We'll explore conversation starters that create genuine connections. We'll also look at topics to avoid, especially early on. Remember, the goal is to be yourself and find someone who appreciates you for you. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more tips and insights. First impressions matter. In the online dating world, your words are your first impression. They set the tone for the entire conversation. Start by finding common ground. Look at their profile. What are their interests? What hobbies do they mention? What do they seem passionate about? Do they love hiking? Ask about their favorite trails. Into photography? Ask what they love to shoot. Is it landscapes, portraits, or maybe street photography? Shared interests are instant conversation starters. They create a natural flow. Travel stories are always engaging. Ask about their favorite trip or dream destinations. Have they been to any unique places? Share your own travel experiences. Talk about the places you've visited and the cultures you've experienced. Values are important for long-term compatibility. Subtly bring up topics like volunteering or environmentalism to gauge their views. Do they care about the same causes as you? Keep it lighthearted. Ask fun, quirky questions like, what's your go-to karaoke song? Or, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? These questions can reveal a lot about their personality, show interest in their everyday life. Ask about their work, hobbies, or what they did that weekend. Everyone loves to talk about their passions. Everyone has dreams. Asking about their aspirations for the future can lead to deeper conversations. What are their goals and ambitions? Remember to keep the conversation balanced. Ask open-ended questions and share about yourself too. This creates a two-way dialogue and builds a stronger connection. While honesty is important, some topics can be conversation killers, especially early on. It's crucial to be mindful of what you bring up. These topics can make people uncomfortable or raise red flags. You want to create a positive and engaging atmosphere. Talking about exes too soon can make you seem hung up on the past. It might give the impression that you're not ready to move on. Focus on the present and the future. Share your current interests and future aspirations instead. Avoid discussing financial details early on. Conversations about money can be sensitive and might make the other person uncomfortable. It can give the wrong impression. You don't want to come across as materialistic or overly concerned with finances. Family matters can be complicated. Everyone has their own unique family dynamics and histories. It's best to avoid discussing sensitive family issues until you know each other better. This helps in building trust gradually. While it's good to know someone's values, avoid intense debates about religion or politics early on. These topics can be polarizing and might lead to unnecessary tension. Bringing up marriage or kids on the first few interactions can be overwhelming. Such serious topics can scare someone off if discussed too soon. Let the relationship develop naturally. Allow things to progress at a comfortable pace for both parties. It's okay to open up gradually, sharing bits and pieces of your life as you go along. But avoid unloading all your personal problems early on. Keep it respectful and considerate of the other person's feelings. Avoid overly sexual comments or requests early in the conversation. Remember, timing is everything. Respect boundaries and build a foundation of trust first. As you build trust, you can gradually introduce more personal topics. This way, the relationship can grow stronger and more meaningful over time. Section 4. Building trust through openness and respect. Building trust takes time and effort. It's like building a house brick by brick. You need a strong foundation. Honesty is key to this foundation. Be true to yourself in your profile and conversations. Authenticity is crucial. Honesty, don't pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity is attractive and builds trust. Respect, treat others how you want to be treated. Mutual respect is the cornerstone of any relationship. Be respectful of their opinions, even if you don't agree. Listening is a form of respect, patience. Building a connection takes time. Don't rush the process. Don't expect to find the one overnight. Good things take time. Open communication. If something makes you uncomfortable, speak up. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings. Good communication is essential for a healthy relationship. It helps in resolving conflicts and building deeper connections. Remember, online dating is just a tool. It's a means to an end. It's a way to meet people, but the real connection happens offline. The real connection happens when you move beyond the screen and into real life. That's where true relationships are built. Section 5, Conclusion: Fostering Authentic Connections. Online dating can be a great way to meet people, but it's important to navigate it carefully. Choose conversation topics that build trust and understanding. Avoid topics that can be deal breakers early on. Remember to be yourself, be respectful, and have fun. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of finding someone truly compatible with you.